Okay guys, today we're going to cover a little preventive maintenance. Been seeing this problem a lot at work. So, what we got is the Mustang again. And we got some corrosion on the battery terminals. Positive and negative, both corroded. So, this isn't a big problem, but it can be a problem. So, I don't know if people just don't know what to do about it, don't care, but I'm going to go over what to do about it real quick. Got this little kit. Comes with cleaner, wire brush, felt washers, and a protectant spray. For like $8 at the local parts store. This will be everything you need. You don't even need this really. It's going overkill, but you know, we'll go with this. So, first step is going to be take the battery cleaner.